that horrible sinking feeling. It's the same one, whether you've lost your key, it's snapped off in the lock, or you've left it in the caravan park 200 miles away. But then you remember Daniel's Locksmiths. At any time of day or night, Daniel's Locksmiths is on hand to provide you with outstanding service, no matter what your requirements. Serving customers across South and West Wales, Daniel's Locksmiths is there for the more complicated jobs too, from changing all the locks for a home or office, to creating master key systems, and repairing, opening and fitting safes. Daniel's does it all, and at a very competitive rate. So competitive, they will beat any like-for-like quote. With free surveys available too, a mobile key cutting service, digital locks, and so much more. It just has to be Daniel's Locksmiths.